Welcome to my YouTube channel at Bright Oppo. Kindly follow and subscribe as we take you on step by step into chemistry and physics. All right, so if you're having challenges in any of these two subjects, we got it covered. Just subscribe and follow so you can get every of our information. Okay, so what I want to demonstrate quickly is about precipitation reaction. Many people don't know what a precipitation reaction is. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate it using two different compounds. I'm going to be using potassium iodide and lead 2 nitrate. That's what I will be using. So this is actually that nitrate, all right, I will be using. Okay, and this is the potassium iodide. They are all in solid form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually dissolve them using a test tube. So I will put a funnel so I will not waste them. Okay, so I'll put a little of that inside a test tube, let's say test tube A, and I will use a distilled water. So we use distilled water in most of our practicals, because if you use ordinary water, maybe water from the tap, where they may have impurities which may interfere with your chemical reactions. So we use distilled water, which is already treated for this purpose. So I am trying to see how I can dissolve it completely, because it's form of crystals like a salt, but I'm going to dissolve it completely. So this is one, so I'm going to keep it and take another test tube for the other compound, which is potassium iodide. I will also put a little quantity inside the test tube B. All right, so and also use the distilled water, you see, to dissolve it as well. All right, and shake vigorously to ensure that the particles are well dissolved. So that's what I'm doing, to dissolve them completely. Okay. So you understand the difference between a precipitate and a coloration, so that when you are writing your text, your observation, your inference, you should be able to draw a good inference, a conclusion. All right. Many persons don't know the difference between a precipitate and just a normal color reaction. Okay, so they are actually dissolved, so there are no more of that particles. So what we do is we are going to react them. I'll write the chemical reaction on the board for you to follow. So I'm going to react these two aqueous substances now. They're already in a solution. All right, they're no more solid, as it were. They're already in a solution. So I'm going to pour one into, and please watch out the reaction. Wow, a very nice yellow precipitate. Don't say it's color. All right, if you say it's color, you're wrong. This is a precipitate. What is a precipitate? A solid deposit in a solution. If you watch it very closely, it's looking like though I pour a powder. So it's not a powder inside. All right, powder. It's in powder, a particle, dense particle. I hope you can see dense particle. So it's not just coloration, because I can filter off this using my Watman filter paper. So we can use that to filter off the residue, and the filtrate will go through that. All right, so that's actually how to know a precipitate. If it's color reaction, it's going to be normal liquid color, nothing like particles. But when there is a solid deposit in that reaction, even though it shows a color, so we call it yellow precipitate of this lead iodide. Please follow. We are coming hot, like I tell you, we are coming